Also rise to associate myself with the Deputy Chief Minister in paying homage to all these leaders who have contributed in their own capacities to the welfare of their respective states and the country. But sir, in particular, I would like to pay my homage and tribute to a great leader which the state has produced in the personality of late Salsing Marak. I know him, sir. I knew him intimately. He was always accommodative to anyone, irrespective of the, in which walk of life we are from. I remember when I was not in active politics, was just in the party. He was always accessible to us. He would give, his patient hearing. So, sir, that's why I am rising to pay my tribute to former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, late Salsing Marak, who passed away on the 16th August 2024 at the ripe old age of 83, sir. And survived. Unfortunately, he lost his wife many years ago, and he survived by his children. So I think all his things are here, where he was born, how he was elected. But sir, I would like to pay my tribute today, sir, as we gather to pay tribute to the departed soul of distinguished leaders of various states. I would like to join hands with the Deputy Chief Minister to offer my heartfelt condolences to the families and loved ones. In particular, I wish to honor the memory of late Salsing Marak and, of course, another leader of the state, Raisen Mausor, two esteemed legislators from our state. Sir. Late Salsing Marak, affectionately known as Mr. Clean. Sir. So that is the legacy is left behind for all of us. Mr. Clean. I wish, sir, when I departed from this earth, I'll be known also as Mr. Clean. Was more than just a politician, sir. He was a beacon of integrity, a symbol of unwavering principles in a world that often succumbs to temptation and power. His journey was not without its challenges, but he stood firm, guided by his commitment to transparency, honesty, and most of all, the welfare of his people, the people of this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Though his tenure as Chief Minister in 1998 was brief, lasting only 12 days, its impact was profound. He taught us all that leadership is not measured by the length of time in power, but by the steadfastness of one's values. Late Salsing Marak's life was a testament to loyalty. Despite the allure of all other political paths, he remained steadfastly committed to the Congress party. Even when others chose different roads, his loyalty was not merely to a party, but to the principles he believed would best serve his people. In an era where elections are often won by money, S.C. Marak's early victories were earned through the trust and love of the people who saw in him a leader they could believe in. In times of internal strife within the party, he was the voice of reason, the guiding light that led the All India Congress Committee. And in a state where political stability was a rare achievement, Marak led a government that stood strong from 1993 to 1998, a testament to his skill, his patience, and his dedication. But more than his political achievements, it is his character that we remember today. S.C. Marak faced setbacks, he faced betrayal, but he never wavered in his dedication to his principles. His life reminds us that true leadership is not defined by the positions we hold, but by the people we touch, the values we uphold, and the legacy we leave behind. Today, as we reflect on late Salsing C. Marak's life, let us carry forward his spirit of loyalty, his commitment to integrity, and his unwavering belief in a better tomorrow for the state and for its people. And of course, sir, we have another prominent political leader from the state, late Raisen Mauser, a respected figure in Meghalaya's political landscape, passed away on 16 May 2024. He served as a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, representing the Mount Hankut constituency in West Khasiil's district. His dedication to public service was evident through his numerous contributions to the region. Mauser also held the position of MDC from Mount Hankut constituency, reflecting his continued commitment to serving his community, and his legacy will be remembered for his unwavering service and dedication to the people. And of course, we have many other political leaders from various states, union territories of our state. I would like to pay my tribute to them in their own capacities. They have served the people, they have served their respective states, they have served the country. And I believe, sir, with their service, they have continued to contribute to the welfare of the country and of their respective states. With these few words, sir, I would like to thank you.